Vietnam went from a poor country to one of the fastest growing economies in Asia. But how did this small country grow so fast, and almost without anyone noticing? Today, we're going to break down the real reasons behind Vietnam's rapid growth and why the world is paying close attention to it. One of the biggest reasons is manufacturing. Vietnam has become a global manufacturing hub where major companies like Samsung, Nike, and Apple suppliers produce their goods. The country offers low labor costs, a skilled workforce, and a stable business environment. Because of this, many factories that once operated in China are now moving to Vietnam. Another important reason is the China Plus One strategy. Global companies no longer want to depend on a single country for production. Vietnam has become the top alternative because of its strategic location in Asia, strong ports, and access to major trade routes. On top of that, Vietnam has signed multiple free trade agreements, making exports cheaper and faster. Vietnam also benefits from a young and productive population. A large portion of the population is of working age, which means higher productivity, faster learning, and lower production cost. This young workforce plays a major role in pushing the economy forward. Government policies are another key factor. Vietnam actively supports foreign investment by offering tax incentives, improving infrastructure, and focusing heavily on exports and industrial growth. These policies create confidence and long-term stability for businesses. Vietnam's rapid growth is not a coincidence. It is the result of smart planning, global opportunity, and consistent execution. If this growth continues, Vietnam could soon become one of Asia's most important economic success stories.